Everything you need to know about Cialis. Cialis is the longest lasting erectile dysfunction pill. Its active ingredient is Tadalafil, available in 4 different dosages: 2.5, 5, 10 and 20 milligrams. 2.5 and 5 milligrams are intended for daily use. They should be taken every day at around the same time. The medicine works continuously, which enables spontaneous intercourse. 10 and 20 milligrams should be used as needed before sexual activity. 1 pill should be taken 30 to 60 minutes before intercourse. It is effective for up to 36 hours. How does Cialis work? Some people think that Cialis causes involuntary or continuous erections. Don't worry, this is not how the medication works. Problems with achieving an erection are most often caused by reduced blood flow to the penis. Cialis relaxes smooth muscles and widens the blood vessels inside of the penis, which increases the blood flow into the tissue and helps to achieve and maintain an erection. However, this only happens as a result of sexual stimulation. After ejaculation, or when sexual arousal falls, the blood flows out of the penis and the erection stops. Remember, Cialis is a prescription medication with clinically proven effectiveness. Euroclinics, your online doctor and pharmacy.